Welcome back to the channel. Apparently we have 2 inches of snow coming tomorrow. So I'm going to try to mow the front yard real quick. It's looking a little, well here, check it out. It's looking a little sketchy up there. Definitely looking a little sketchy. I want to get the front yard mowed, and then I'll probably hit it with that lawn striper that I've got as well. And then we'll come back and get some flagship fertilizer down. Here's some facts about that. Not doing much today. It'll probably be kind of crummy the next 2 or 3 days, so I was like, I'm just got to get out here and do it. It's actually right now it's 60 degrees Fahrenheit. In the morning though, it's going to be like 24 degrees. So, oh no, spring is kind of here, I guess. But here, check this out. Here's how fantastic the front is looking right now. I think it's the right height to cut. I usually cut right about when it gets that height right there. So we'll get this cut, the sidewalk strip, then we'll get this cut. And then of course, we'll get this sidewalk strip and this front, which is also looking quite fantastic. After I get done mowing, we'll of course get that flagship fertilizer down, and yeah, we'll wrap up the video. The next video I will show you really quick. Next video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be aerating, getting down some seed. Of course, we'll like mow really short first. We'll basically almost scalp this side, overseed this area, and then we'll get some soil amendments down on top, of course. Yeah, and we'll use the compost roller. That'll be the next video after the snow or sleet or rain or ice or whatever is coming. As soon as that dries out, then we will start to work on that. I'll be doing a lot over there. I'll have to think if I wanted to thatch. I don't think I'll need to. We'll see what's up. But yeah, for now, I'm going to get started and I'm going to mow. Looking forward to it. Let's go. But here, check it out. I went kind of fast, so like we'll trim up everything on the edges and everything. I do it right now, but yeah, I don't think the weather's going to hold up. Right here's the front. Looking quite nice, especially for the super early season. Same thing over here with the sidewalk strip. Right. I like to mow my grass high. I don't like to cut too short. We will be doing some spots in the back, and maybe we'll do this side short with some plant growth regulators here soon. I have some Primo Max that I need to use. There's this side, and then over here. Yeah, I went pretty fast. I don't think I've ever gone that fast. I see all these spots that are bothering me, but I'm gonna get the flagship down, and then if I have some time, I'll come back and hit it with the trimmer real quick. I also see a dandelion I wanna pull and get rid of. That's been bugging me. Yeah, I think everything's looking pretty good. The next couple days aren't gonna be so great, but at least I got out and mowed today. Let's get that flagship down. Let's go. Let's go before that. I don't like that. Let's go. Give you a look real quick. I got it done. I still haven't felt a drop yet. It's definitely coming. Here's the front, looking nice. Even after we went over it with the spreader, it's still looking good. That's gonna turn out great once the snow thaws out, but it's not really gonna like stick. It's not gonna be like last time. What's gonna happen is it's just gonna get the grass wet, just like the rain, and then within 24 hours or less, it'll be gone. So hopefully it saturates this end real nice, and we're super green, and then we'll go from there. I'm assuming we're gonna have to edge and trim and do all that stuff, and who knows, but all done. Here's a look at that sidewalk strip, and this side one more time, and then here's a look at this sidewalk strip. This one's looking really fantastic this season, and so is this side. So all I'm gonna do real quick is I'm just gonna get the blower out and just blow if I got anything on the concrete. I don't really think I did, but if I did, I'll blow it up, and I'll blow it off. And yeah, I'll see you after all this crazy stuff passes. So hopefully Saturday, we'll see what's up. All right, here's one last look at the top. Man, that looks nice. I'll see you next time. Hopefully see you on Saturday. Peace. Oh no, it ended up sticking on the grass. Well, at least it's getting all the moisture it needs.